What's going on, everybody? Your boy Knomad here, and today I'm bringing you a special unboxing. Something epic, something so powerful. Ladies and gentlemen, the 5900 has arrived. Yes, indeed, and it's time to open up this bad boy. Ooh. Roll that footage.
Living like I'm never finna die. Hold up. Dying like I'm never finna live. Money, love, flows, grows in my soul to the devil. What I'm never finna give him. To pedal with a stick, on a pedal of a whip. You can never guess what I never settle for a bitch. Boy, you got me fucked up. Cross me, cousin, get your body crushed up. Stop me, cousin, you should probably shut up. Yo, shut the fuck up, man. Yeah.
Now today what I have in front of me is the Ryzen 5000 series 5900X. And I've been waiting for this bad boy since launch. I pre-ordered it on B&H Photo. It was on pre-order, and then it immediately went to back order. And I was like, oh my god. I was like, well, I mean, I could try to play with the bots and roll the dice, or I can just wait until they ship it. And about 5 days ago, they finally ship it. Dog, you talking about somebody that was eyeing the FedEx guy like crazy. And then when the FedEx guy got here, it was raining outside. You know what they did? They just put the empty box. They didn't even cover the box. They just put the empty box right there on the front porch. Rain hitting the box, right? And you know me, I didn't get it immediately because I was sleeping when they delivered it. So when I got there, look, box wet. Open the box up, a little bit of water on the side. Like, yo, are you kidding me? But anyway, enough of the rant. Let's open this bad boy up. Now, there isn't much to this unboxing, unfortunately, because, you know, it's just a CPU, right? Currently in my system, I have a 3700X. So, you know, on the Ryzen 3000 series, 37X, you know what I'm saying? Not much in here, honestly. Like I said, not much in here. Got right there, cover it up, because these don't come with a cooler. Now, they figured if you got money for a 5900X, then you have money for the cooler, because you know it's a 5900X. Why would you want to put a stock cooler on that bad boy? You know what I'm saying? So I mean, this the chip right here. Ain't much to it, but you know, hey, we're gonna throw the unboxing anyway because we got to, man. But what I'm gonna do is drop some benchmarks in here for my 37 to my 59 for what I use. Not like right now. I'll probably put like one game in that I'm currently playing, and then what I normally use it for, like, you know, for making videos, the encoding, stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? I done some of the basic benchmarks and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that, man. But this is the 5900X, dog. I'm telling you, I've been waiting since launch. I mean, when the price tag jumped at me, man, I had to get on it. I think it was going for $599. I want to say. I could be lying, but I think that's what it was. I'm thinking I got mine for $592. I'm seeing crazy prices all over the place right now. I know mine was like $592 total. Yeah, $559. So yeah, I got mine exactly for $559 plus tax, about $592, man. So I mean, the chip was a good price. You cannot pass this up. If you can find it for MSRP, please grab it. Try not to get these price gouge prices, man. Like I said, we're gonna drop these benchmarks in here. I appreciate y'all, man, very much, man. Thank you for y'all coming for the stream. Make sure you check the stream out. You know what I'm saying? If you don't check the stream out, you're fucking up. Make sure you click on that link in the description, man. Follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and that's it. That's all I use. Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And use Twitter. That's all I use, man. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you follow me on that, man. I appreciate y'all very much, man. Thank you for rocking with your boy. And it's been your boy Knomad. South Cac, we in this thing.